Loom is available both as a Chrome extension and as a desktop app, which brings up the question, which one should you use? Well, let's find out together. The Chrome extension is extremely easy to install, requiring only a couple of clicks. Both the Chrome extension and the desktop app are available on macOS and Windows, but the Chrome extension is the only one available on Linux and Chromebook OS, which might be important in certain environments like education. Installing the desktop app requires a few more steps, as you need to download it, install it, and then log in into your Loom account. The desktop app also gives you access to certain features that might be important to you. The first one is the drawing tool, which allows you to add annotations and notes while recording. This is not available in the Chrome extension. Another handy feature is speaker notes, which allow you to write your script and then read it while you are recording, and this script will not be visible in the final recording. Finally, if you care about recording in high quality, the desktop app is the best option because it allows you to record up to 4K if you upgrade to the paid account. To sum it up, choose the Chrome extension if you care about simplicity or if you're running on Linux or Chromebook OS. In all the other cases, prefer the desktop app as it's more robust and offers more features. If you're planning to use Loom to create educational content like tutorials and video courses, then let me tell you, I don't think it's the best tool for the job. My favorite tool to create educational content is called Borumi. With Borumi, you can decide the structure of your video in the built-in editor, which is very similar to Notion and Google Docs. Then you can record every scene separately, retrying as many times as you want. This is very convenient because it allows you to split the recording into smaller chunks, which are much easier to manage. And finally, you can edit the video in the built-in editor. Here you can trim the clips, select nice-looking layouts, remove the noise, and much more. And finally, you can export your video, ready to be published to your platform of choice. You can get access to Borumi by visiting borumi.com.